Okay, so welcome back, this Cryptophile, and let's start the year by giving away what I've been promised. Okay, I'm going to do some giveaway to random comments from the last month videos. Now, thank you so much for everybody who been commenting, and thank you so much for everybody who been following me. I wish you all the best in 2024, and let's do this. Now, few things you need to understand. I'm going to do 2x speed for the video. I'm going to ask you for every winner to leave your address in your bio, okay? And also edit the comment and leave in your bio. Do not DM me on Telegram, I will do not respond, okay? There are too many scammers. Now, there will be like 5-10 winners, okay? 30, 40, 50 bucks each. I will decide on the video when I'm doing. Also, the next thing what I decide to do is I'm going to do giveaway every couple of weeks, probably every 2 weeks. I'm going to choose 1 or 2 lucky videos and 1 or 2 lucky comment, and I'm going to send you again random 30 to 50 bucks each. So make sure you leave a comment. And the most important, if the comment says just hi or hello or what's up or something like that, it's not going to be valid. Simple as that. The comment need to be something with the video, at least to make some kind of sense, okay? Because there are so many random comments and I don't think that's fair. Okay, thank you so much. Let's go. The video will be very fast. Okay, so let's do the giveaway. Now, we have month of December. We have, let's go back, we have 31 days, right? So 1st of December till 31st of December. So what I'm going to do is like this, okay? Get out. Okay, so lucky wheel. So I put here 31 numbers, 1 till 31. So this will be on high speed, so I hope you can listen or you can understand. Now, you can listen in low speed if you want. Now, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose 5 videos, and I'm going to choose 5 or 6 winners. We're going to see. Okay, so let's give away a randomly first go spin. So let's see what date we're going to choose. Okay, it's working. I was checking the microphone. All right, so number 30th. Hey, that's just 2 days ago. So number 30th, we have a winner. Okay, so I'm going to remove number 30, right? Remove. Good. And you can see here, it's no more 30. All right. So now, next one, I'm going to go here. No, here. Yeah. So this is my videos. All right. So you can see here when it was published, 30th. That's yesterday. Bruno X. All right. I have 40 comments. Okay. So thank you so much, everybody. That's amazing. Okay. Now, I think I'm not sure if I'm going. I'll choose a short later on. Okay. So I'll tell you how I'm going to choose a short. So I'm going to go comments right here, 40, and I'm going to count now because that's including me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, okay? So 26. So, and then, let me just see. So this is a new wheel, you will see here. So this is the one without number 30. This is different one, okay? So 26, okay? So I'm going to go back and I'm going to delete 26, simple as that. And I'm going to choose a winner. So we have 26 here. And the winner is number 4. Okay, simple as that. Okay, so I don't need to remove because it's going to be for different colors. So number 4, okay? Number 4. Let's go back. And let's go count again. So go from the start. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, great. And I'll write down. You are the winner. Please add your address here and edit address here by editing the comment and also to your bio. Congrats. All right. Okay, great. So here you are, who you are. Congratulations. So add your address here, edit your comment, and add your address. So you need to edit this comment, simple as that. Okay, so copy, and I'll go reply. Okay, that's number 1. I'm going to choose, let's say 5 winners, 50 bucks each. 5. Okay, so number 2, wheel. This is without number 30. Okay, go. Let's see what number you're going to choose. It's number 2. Okay, so December 12th, right? December 12th, remove. Good. Next one, we're going to go to my videos, right? So let me move again, go back. So number 12, that's December 12th will be. So go back, go down, 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 number 12, December 12th. Yay, I have a video. So sometimes I don't have a video. Okay, so please pull strip comments. All right, I have 100. Oh shit, that's too many. Okay, so let me count. I'll stop the video, all right? Okay, 85 comments. That's crazy. Okay, 85. So shit, that's a lot. Okay, so wait me here. So this is the winner. Okay, so close. Don't remove. Okay, 85. Let me put that. Okay, 85. Now let's take me forever. All right, so here you will see. Oh shit. There we go. All right, 85. Okay, so 1 till 85. Let's choose a random comment. That was crazy. Wow, 85. Thank you. That's amazing. All right, number 40, just in the middle. 41. Well, 41 is the winner. Let's choose. Okay. 41. Oh, we're going to count now again. All right, let me count on the video now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Great. Like, love, reply, and copy paste. Congrats. So I'm going to send you 50 bucks each. 5 winners, 50 bucks each. Okay, I was going to do 10 winners, but it's going to take me too long. All right, like too long. I'm going to leave them for the month so I can put like a few more winners. All right, congrats. There we go. Congratulations for you. So make sure you follow the protocol. Do not DM me in the Telegram. Just do whatever I'm saying. All right, congratulations. All right, next one. So it's number 2. I need to write this down. Okay, number 3. Okay, so we go wheels. So we go here and let's choose. And then we're going to have one from shorts. So date 17th of December. Okay, back here. And 17 do we have video? No. Okay, let's move that. Remove next one. So 17 we don't have any video. Okay, number 26. Okay, number 26. Let's see if we have video. 26th of December. I don't have any. Oh, 25, 26. There we go. Yay. Okay, so 26. Oh no, I don't have. That's not even posted for Xenify. Sorry, I don't have on 26. Sorry, that's not even posted. Oh, okay. Next one. That's need to be posted next week, by the way. All right, next one is 15. Let's see if I have something on the 15. Number 15. 15. There we go. Yes. Yay. 128 comments. All right, let me count them. All right, let me count how many there are because that's including myself. So we have 128. Okay, 94. That's amazing. All right, so now close. So I need to add here 94. All right, that's not bad because I have 85. Let me just add 85, 6, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 94. All right, let's choose a winner from 94 comments. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is going to be number 73. That's mean 73. So 94 minus 73. That's 20, 21. So I need to go from the top down 21. All right, that's simple as that. All right, so let's count together. Okay, so go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 11, 20, 21. This one is great. Congratulations to you. Is this the same person who win twice? That's crazy. Whoever win, you know? You can win twice. I'm not sure if this win twice or doesn't matter. All right, here you are. Congratulations to you, whoever you are. I think you win twice. I don't want to go back because I'm recording now. So, number 3 giveaway. All right, so I have number 4, one more, and I'll give one more for shorts. All right, so let's go here. Nope. So go back. There we go. That's my videos. Lucky wheels. Remove number 15. Remove and let's go. Wow, this is so longer than I expect. So number 3. Okay, let's see. December 3. Let's just confirm. There we go. December the 3rd. All right, so it should be easy. I think that time I was November, December 2nd, 3rd. There we go. New week, new donation. Thank you so much. My favorite. All right, love to give you money here. Love. All right, so don't forget I'm doing a lot of donation here. All right, so I need to reply to these people. I never replied. Embarrassing. I had so many comments. Okay, so let's count. All right, give me a second. 1, 2, 3. 71 comments. This is crazy. I never even see these comments. I don't even know I have so many. My YouTube doesn't pop up. 71. That's amazing. Amazing. All right. 71. All right. Close here. So let me just remove them. 71 comments. All right. And let's do the giveaway. 71 people. Who is the winner? So let's see. And this will be number 50. Wow. That's close. 57. 71 minus 57. 14. I need to go minus 14 from the top. All right. Simple. That's easy now. All right. 14. Let me move my face. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, lucky. And congratulations to you. So that's 4 people. Let's choose one short. And how to choose short, I don't have clue, but let's go. Let's see shorts. Let's see how many I have. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. I have 11 shorts. All right, so let's do like this. Simple. All right, 11 shorts. Remove. Let's count the numbers again. I need here number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. All right, 11 shorts. Okay, simple. Let's choose one short and let's choose one comment. The number, this should be much easier now. Number 6. All right, make sure you leave a comment for every video, every short. Okay, I'm going to do this often because, hey, let's make some people happy. Okay, we have a winner. All right, number 6. Let's go back to shorts. Let's go from the top to down. Actually, from down to top because it's number 6. This was number 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6. 72 comments. That's crazy. This for Keystone. All right, amazing. Okay, so let me count. Actually, I have less, I guess. That's me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 61 amazing comments. Thank you so much. Let's go to the wheel. Close. And 61. Should be easy because they are, I think, all of them doesn't missing anything because I didn't move anything here. Okay, so 61 comments. Let's choose one comment from the shorts. Let's send you 50 bucks. 5 people, 50 bucks, right? And I'm going to give probably for this month, maybe, I don't know, 5 people again, maybe 3, 4 people. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Make sure you leave a comment, right? We have a winner, number 23. Okay, number 23. Let's go from the top. Let's count together now. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15, what was the number? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, congratulations for all of you. God bless. Make sure you leave a comment to every single video, and the comment needs to make a sense, all right? Like this guy, I'm going to buy Keystone, right? I think thanks for this short, right? But if you just put like, let's say, okay, this is, they're all nice here, but like this, all right, like what the heck, you know, like, you know, or good, you know, maybe just makes, or just this guy. If this guy win, I will don't give him, you know. If this guy win, just good, you know. Maybe just put just a little bit more, just a little bit more. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Congratulations to all of you. Sorry about the video will be very fast, so good luck. Goodbye. Till the next one. I do I and you do you.